to see that one around here. What a fantastic experience that was.
It is, yeah. Everyone there is going to remember that starting summer. But for us here, yeah, I was actually working the morning show at that point of time. So I was in the coin tower and we were all watching from the basement. But it was definitely spectacular. Right now we have plenty of sunshine to kind of feast our eyes on as we go into the afternoon, evening hours. Look at that view. Beautiful. We do have a couple clouds out there. Temperatures in the mid-70s. This afternoon, this evening, it's very nice. It's not as cloudy as it's been. It's not nearly as wet either. You can see 75 degrees here by 7 p.m. So we'll keep some warmer temperatures here. Clearer conditions, though, as we go through tonight. Really, it's going to be pretty much cloud-free as we go into tomorrow. We do have the system to the northwest. Really not going to do too much for us as we go into, again, the next 24 hours, even the next 48 hours. We have high pressure that's developing. So the tracking of any sort of system is going to continue to kind of get nudged, and we're going to push it to the north just a little bit. And that's going to leave us with summer, sunshine, and heat as we go through the next couple of days. I mentioned yesterday that we are the 5th wettest June on record, 2020 right here. A couple other notable years that have been recent, but we're almost to 3.5 inches, and we'll maybe see that by the time we wrap up the month. We'll see how much more rain that we will get and will receive. We've had 4 weekends in a row of rain, although today it hasn't been wet at all. We had some clouds this morning, but we got rid of those pretty quick. Tomorrow I have just sunshine across the board from the coast all the way over towards areas like Baker City. Temperatures in the 80s, maybe even a 90 falling into the forecast tomorrow. Upper 80s there coming off Hood River and areas towards the east. If you're on the west edge of the gorge, a little bit cooler. Expect probably the mid-80s for tomorrow. Should be a really nice day, though. Look at that. Really not much occurring as far as cloud coverage or rain goes. Futurecast is going to support that. There's that stream of cloud coverage that we were just looking at on the satellite, and it's going to leave the moisture there with it. So high pressure really takes over. This is going to keep our temperatures above average, likely through the week. Tuesday, a few more clouds, especially for you folks in central and eastern Oregon. And we may see some clouds trying to work their way across the Oregon coast and Washington coast. But we don't see much of a disturbance till late Tuesday night into Wednesday. And this may bring a spotty shower for some locations, but it does feel like that we'll see some dry weather on Wednesday as well. So I don't think we'll see much in the valley. And I was analyzing the models, and it doesn't seem like we'll have too much moisture impact us. But can't rule out maybe a stray shower on Wednesday for areas of the coast and parts of Washington. Thursday's dry, and then here comes Friday into Saturday, another system which should allow for us to connect with some cooler air, bringing our temperatures down by the time we get into Saturday. But notice that the ridge takes over. Any cool air is all to the north of us till maybe, again, on Saturday as it starts to try to settle in to the Pacific Northwest. I'll take you out to the 7-day forecast real quick so you can get a good look at that, digest that. 90 degrees on Tuesday, cool down just a little bit on Wednesday with that weak disturbance that should move on in. Thursday 84, Friday 85, and then we cool down by Saturday and Sunday. We'll leave rain out of the forecast for now for the weekend, Wayne, but it does appear that we do cool down just a bit.
All right. Thank you, Joseph.